Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Alex. I'm so happy you are here today.
And hi, everyone. I'm Emma. And today we are talking about something nobody likes, but everybody needs.
What is it, Emma?
Being sick and going to the doctor.
Yes, it is not fun, but it is very important. When you are sick, you need to explain how you feel in English.
That's right. Today we will teach you exactly what to say at the doctor's office, from describing your symptoms to answering the doctor's questions to getting medicine.
By the end of this episode, you will feel more confident. You will know the words for common illnesses. You will know how to ask for help.
So let's start.
Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. It is free and it helps us so much. Okay, let's go. Part 1. The story of Emma's sore throat. Emma, can you tell us a story about being sick?
I have a good one. Last winter, I woke up with a very sore throat.
Oh no, what happened?
I could barely swallow. My throat felt like it was on fire. I knew I needed to see a doctor.
Were you nervous?
A little bit. I was nervous about speaking English to the doctor. What if I used the wrong word? What if they didn't understand me?
That is a very common fear. What did you do?
I prepared before I went. I wrote down my symptoms on my phone. Sore throat, cough, feeling tired.
That is very smart.
Then I went to the clinic. The nurse asked me, "What brings you here today?"
What did you say?
I said, "I have a sore throat and a cough. I feel very tired."
Perfect. Simple and clear.
The doctor checked my throat. She said, "It looks like a viral infection. Drink warm tea with honey, rest a lot, and take this medicine."
And did you get better?
I did. After 3 days, I felt much better.
The lesson is prepare before you go. Write down your symptoms, practice saying them. You will feel more confident. Now let's learn the most common symptoms. These are the words you will use when you are sick.
Symptom number 1, I have a headache.
Headache, pain in your head.
Symptom number 2, I have a sore throat.
Sore throat, pain when you swallow. Your throat feels scratchy.
Symptom number 3, I have a cough.
Cough, when you make a sound from your throat, like this.
Symptom number 4, I have a fever.
Fever, when your body temperature is higher than normal. You feel hot and cold at the same time.
Symptom number 5, I feel nauseous.
Nauseous, when you feel like you might vomit. Your stomach feels sick.
Symptom number 6, I have a runny nose.
Runny nose, when liquid comes out of your nose. You need tissues.
Symptom number 7, I have body aches.
Body aches, when your muscles hurt all over your body.
Symptom number 8, I feel tired.
Tired, when you have no energy. You want to sleep.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat.
I have a headache.
Pause. Symptom number 2, I have a sore throat.
Pause. I have a fever.
Pause.
I feel tired.
Pause.
Excellent. Now you can describe how you feel.
Alex, do you have a story about being sick?
Unfortunately, yes. A very embarrassing story.
Tell us.
Well, last year, I ate some bad seafood at a restaurant. The next morning, I felt terrible.
Oh no, what were your symptoms?
I had a stomach ache. I felt nauseous, and I had to go to the bathroom many times.
That sounds like food poisoning.
It was. I went to the doctor. I said, "I think I have food poisoning. My stomach hurts. I feel nauseous."
What did the doctor say?
He asked me, "What did you eat yesterday?" I told him about the seafood. He said, "Drink lots of water. Rest. It will pass in 24 hours.
And did it pass?
It did, but I never ate at that restaurant again.
I don't blame you.
Let's learn the words from my story. I have a stomach ache.
Pause.
I feel nauseous.
Pause.
I have food poisoning.
Pause.
Great. These words are very useful.
Now, let's learn what the doctor will ask you. These are common questions.
Question 1. What brings you here today?
This means, why are you here? What is your problem?
Question 2. How long have you had these symptoms?
This means, when did the symptoms start? 1 day ago? 3 days ago?
Question 3. Do you have a fever?
They want to know if your body temperature is high.
Question 4. Are you taking any medication?
Medication means medicine. They want to know what medicine you already take.
Question 5. Do you have any allergies?
Allergies means things that make you sick, like peanuts or pollen or certain medicines.
Question 6. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
1 means very little pain. 10 means the worst pain of your life.
Now let's practice answering. Listen to the question, then answer. What brings you here today?
Pause.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Pause.
Do you have a fever?
Pause.
See, you can answer these questions. You just need a few simple words. Now let's learn how to answer the doctor's questions. Here are sample answers.
For what brings you here today, you can say, I have a sore throat and a cough.
Or, I have a fever and a headache.
For how long have you had these symptoms, you can say, since yesterday.
Or, for 3 days.
For do you have a fever, you can say, yes, I think so.
Or, no, I don't think so.
For are you taking any medication, you can say, no, I'm not.
Or, yes, I take medicine for my blood pressure.
For do you have any allergies, you can say, no, I don't.
Or, yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
For pain scale, you can say, about a 5.
Or, it's a 7, it hurts a lot. Let's practice together. I have a sore throat and a cough.
Pause. I have had these symptoms for 2 days. Pause.
Yes, I have a fever.
Pause. Perfect. You are ready for the doctor.
After the doctor examines you, they will give you advice. They might give you medicine. Let's learn what the doctor might say.
Phrase 1. You have a viral infection.
A viral infection is caused by a virus, like the common cold or flu.
Phrase 2. You have a bacterial infection.
A bacterial infection is caused by bacteria. This might need antibiotics.
Phrase 3. I will prescribe you some medicine.
Prescribe means the doctor writes a paper for medicine. You take that paper to the pharmacy.
Phrase 4. Take this medicine twice a day.
Twice a day means 2 times, morning and evening.
Phrase 5. Drink lots of fluids.
Fluids means water, tea, soup, liquids.
Phrase 6. Get plenty of rest.
Rest means sleep and relax. Do not work too hard.
Phrase 7. You need to see a specialist.
A specialist is a doctor for one part of the body, like a heart doctor or skin doctor.
Let's practice these phrases.
You have a viral infection.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Drink lots of fluids.
Get plenty of rest.
Great! Now you can understand the doctor's advice.
Alex, what do you say at the pharmacy?
Great question. After the doctor gives you a prescription, you go to the pharmacy. This is where they give you the medicine.
Here are phrases for the pharmacy.
Phrase 1. I need to pick up a prescription.
This means the doctor wrote a prescription and now you need the medicine.
Phrase 2. My name is your name.
They will ask for your name to find the prescription.
Phrase 3. How often should I take this?
This means how many times a day? Morning? Night?
Phrase 4. Should I take this with food?
Some medicine hurts your stomach if you take it without food.
Phrase 5. What are the side effects?
Side effects are unwanted feelings from the medicine, like feeling sleepy or nausea.
Let's practice pharmacy phrases. I need to pick up a prescription.
How often should I take this?
Should I take this with food?
Perfect. Now you can get your medicine with confidence.
Let's summarize all the useful phrases you need for the doctor.
Describing your symptoms.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
I have a fever.
I have a cough.
I feel nauseous.
I have a stomach ache.
I feel very tired.
Answering the doctor's questions.
I have had these symptoms for 2 days.
Yes, I have a fever.
No, I don't have any allergies.
Understanding the doctor's advice.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Drink lots of fluids.
Get plenty of rest.
You now have a full guide for any doctor visit. Keep this episode. Save these phrases.
Let's review the key vocabulary from today. Emma, what is our first word?
Number 1. Symptom. A sign that you are sick. Headache, cough, fever.
Number 2, fever, when your body temperature is too high.
Number 3. Prescription. A paper from the doctor for medicine.
Number 4, pharmacy, the place where you get medicine.
Number 5. Allergies. Things that make you sick, like peanuts or pollen.
Number 6, side effects, unwanted feelings from medicine.
Number 7. Rest. Sleep and relax to get better.
Try to use these words today. Practice saying them out loud.
Now it is your turn. Imagine you are at the doctor's office. Say your symptoms out loud. I will ask you a question. You answer. Ready? What brings you here today?
Good. Now try again with different symptoms.
What brings you here today?
Excellent. Now answer these questions.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Do you have a fever?
You just had a conversation with a doctor in English. That is amazing. Be proud of yourself.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
Being sick is never fun, but knowing what to say in English makes it much less scary.
Remember these phrases. Save this video. You never know when you might need them.
But hopefully, you stay healthy and never get sick.
Yes, stay healthy, everyone.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more real-life English lessons.
And share this video with a friend who's learning English. They might need these phrases one day.
Now we have a question for you. Write your answer in the comments below.
What is the most common sickness in your country? A cold? The flu? Something else?
Even one word is great. We read every comment.
For me, in my country, many people get colds in the winter.
For me, in Canada, people get the flu when the weather changes.
Thank you, Emma, for being here today. You always make learning fun.
Thank you, Alex, and thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep practicing your English. Your English is getting better every single day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.